Welcome once again in your channel Ramanujam Center. As you know that you all peoples are doing your project work and everyone are coming here and showing about their acts and their projects and their virtuality that how they have complete and what they have done. Everyone are here welcome. So just I will show you about their activity. Please encourage them, share, comments, and subscribe. If still you have not subscribed, please subscribe, share, and comment so that this types of video you will get new projects and you can encourage to all students and they can help you out. So just wait for minutes, sir. Just I'm going to show about his project, whatever he has done and what he made. He's from the class 5 and skills name and all everything you will get in that video, right? So just you be in this video. Please watch complete video so that you will get this all information in that channels. Okay, so just I'm going to show out that what are they doing and what they have done here, right? It's a very easy to understand. Just to be with me.
Welcome in our project artwork. My school name is Elite International School, which is nearby Gorthambar, Khango. Today I am showing you my project. My name is Priyanshi Kumar. I read in class 6B. My place is Gurri. I show you my project. This is my project which is made by me, and also this will be removed, and I also say what is the advantage of in this project for making. Also show which type I will make this project. This is also revolving by battery. Here this is revolving. Now also discuss. As guys already you are see my project, then I say you what is advantage in this project. Let's start. One, in this project require 12 volt motor and 9 volt battery, 4 volt regulator for high low the temperature of motor, and cardboard for designing, chart paper for designing, and glue also. Welcome in our project artwork. My school name is Elite International School, which is nearby Gorthambar, Khango. Today I am showing you my project. My name is Priyanshi Kumar. I read in class 6B. My place is Gurri. I show you my project. This is my project which is made by me, and also this will be removed, and I also say what is the advantage of in this project for making. Also show which type I will make this project. This is also revolving by battery. Here this is revolving. Now also discuss. As guys already you are see my project, then I say you what is advantage in this project. Let's start. One, in this project require 12 volt motor and 9 volt battery, 4 volt regulator for high low the temperature of motor, and cardboard for designing, chart paper required because it is necessary, and also some chart paper required for designing. Let's start how this video I will make, and you also make this project in your home, and I name this keep this name project is electric swing. This is 9 volt battery, and this is 12 volt motor, and this is regulator, and here battery positive, here motor positive, and here regulator positive, and rest are negative. In regulator 2 negative for high low the temperature of motor. Then here plus wire go in this regulator, and in this regulator come and go in motor, and this minus will be go in this regulator and come from here minus, and go in minus motor, and this 12 volt, this is a structure of motor, battery and regulator. And also you call this diagram. Already guys, I show you how the diagram of motor, regulator and battery connection. Now I show you how working my screen, cardboard screen. This will be revolving.
भक्तिभ्यो वरदे देवी त्राहि मां शरणागतम् ॐ सुरासुरार्चिते देवी सिद्धगन्धर्वसेविते चाण्ड्यपापहरे देवी त्राहि मां शरणागतम्
Welcome on your channel Ramanujan Center. You know that's your channel. Always giving you the right information in the right time. And here, every day you are learning, but due to this pandemic, our offline classes is off. That's why I thought little bits and continue the classes so that you will get a benefit. Right? So I would appreciate it.
चण्डरूपे नमोऽस्तु ते सृष्टिरूपे नमस्तुभ्यं त्राहि मां शरणागतम् जडाना जडता हन्ति भक्ताना भक्तवत्सला मूढतां हर मे देवी त्राहि मां शरणागतम् वं ह्रूं ह्रूं कामये देवी बलिहोमप्रिये नमः उग्रतारे नमो नित्यं त्राहि मां शरणागतम्